Please take a seat, relax, and enjoy the tour. We will now start our tour. On the right side is the Eiffel Tower from Paris, France. And on the left side is the airplane of Torres Farm and the Netherlands Windmill. On the left side is the Malaysian Legoland, and on the right side is the Philippines. Our modern Thai Kupa style.
Walang train dito.
Ganda ng train niya. Pang Christmas train talaga yan.
Walang train.
Wala niyo na parang bugagaling.
We are now arriving at the Italy area. On the left side, you will see our Italy Deluxe room, and on the right side, you will see the Italy swimming pool, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Cinderella's Castle, and the Singapore Airlines Place. Left side is our Korean garden, and on the right side is the Santorini New Greece, the largest events place inside Torres Farm that can accommodate up to 200 guests. Left side is our Great Wall of China, the Pyramid of Sphinx, the Statue of Liberty, the Tinkerbell of Neverland, and the Bethesda Fountain of Central Park. We are now arriving at the Arab area, the largest swimming pool inside Torres Farm, where you will see our Dubai Villa, Jordan Dubai Palace, and Turkey the Sultan Palace. Also on the right side is our Alfresco restaurant, the Filipino Cup Museum, our Hawaiian Cafe. We are now arriving at the Christmas Village, where you will see our snow party every weekend and holidays for a fun and festive experience. right side is the Lelep Museum, the largest museum that holds the most impressive art collection in history. We also have the Burj Khalifa, tallest building in UAE, Dubai, with a height of 820 meters tall.
Ulat tayo. Nakapaglakas dito tayo.
Sayang, di pala tayo nakaano dyan, no?
Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, where you will see where you also cross the parking station, the mysteries of the Holy Rosary, the Christ the Redeemer from Brazil.
Meron pala dito.
Lagi napuntahan yung Christmas City. Uy, na ito sa Christmas kasi. Dapat na naman yung pinupunta natin mamaya. Ito sa Christmas. Ay,
Busy. American Farmhouse, the Modernist of America, and on the Christmas village, the Victorian House, Canadian Igloo. Also on the left side is the colorful house of Puerto Rico. side is Jerusalem, and on the Seven Magic Mountains of Las Vegas, Nevada, the urban lake Lapa of Los Angeles, the Stonehenge, and the Moai statues of